afternoon. Let's look at question 51 and 54 on page 177. Now in 51, it wants us to find two non-integer exponents whose quotient is x equals 3 over 4. So quotient means that I need to do a division problem. So I'm going to take something like x over 5 to the 4th divided by x to the 1/2. So when I do the quotient, that means I'm going to subtract them. So 5 over 4 minus 1/2. And I need to find a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply those by 2. So now I have x to the 5 over 4 minus 2 over 4. And that gives me, that more look like a 2. That's going to give me x to the 3/4, which is what I was looking for. So these two numbers would give us a quotient that's equal to what we're trying to find. Let's look at 54. Since we have the same index, we can put them underneath one giant root with that index. I'm going to take the 4 and break it down, 2 times 2. I'm going to take the 12 and break that down, 2 times 2 times 3. Now I have x to the 3rd, and since I have an index of 3, I'm going to leave that as it is because those will cancel each other out. I have y to the 5 and y squared. Well, that's y to the 7. Well, I can have y to the 3rd times y to the 3rd times y, because all of those exponents will add up to 7, and the 3's will cancel out with my index. So let's look at this. I have a set of 2's that I can pull out. I have an x that I can pull out. I have a y that I can pull out. I have another y that I can pull out. And then I get the 3rd root of 6y. Now, the 2 y's, I can simplify that and say 2x y squared, 3rd root of 6y. And then that's our answer. Have a great day. Bye-bye.